They say that the people wey dey for street don come outside come talk say that they happy as unknown government, which is the UGM, they buy the soldiers for inside Nigeria. You don read. You know, this is the reason why that Nigeria army can never defeat or win any group of people or win any war in Nigeria. I'm going to explain why. Stay tuned to the beginning and the end of this video, and I will play you the video, may you watch as well. Do you know that if the people is against you as a security agencies where you be, if the people is against you or they are not passing information to you, there's no way you can get the information. Even the people say if it by you, they enter one room, go there, go they enjoy, they eat, they enjoy themselves. Do you know that? It's because the people are now against the military, and this is happening all over Nigeria. When you hear the army general always talk, please, he's begging Nigerians to work with them, to support them, because you know that without information they cannot do anything. This is the why things is getting out of hand. People have lost hope and faith after the NSAS. This is where everything began was. After the NSAS, even though people who want to do informant to police are no longer interested because they are afraid. So I'm going to play this video for you to watch and see what people talk for street regarding what happened for Aba, and before we will come back, continue.
Army will die also.
Army
because
will die more.
yes,
so
because
you support the killing
yes, I support the killing of army because Nigeria is going nowhere because they are cripling the country. I myself, if I have my way, my brother, I'll pick a gun and go for war.
You
because
go for which war you want to go for?
Anywhere, if I Tinubu.
What took them to that place? They're supposed to, that they have seen that this is sit at home. Those people are trying to do, they are doing peaceful sit at home.
To remember their hero.
To remember their hero days. They're supposed to sit on their barracks and be on their duty. So what took them down to that place? I don't know.
Well, they are security agents. They are responsible to keep for the safety of the city.
If it's the governor that called them, they should come and secure. They have to go and secure him peacefully. They will not go and do that. You will not sit down. Somebody just come and slap you just like that.
For me, if any personnel just find a place of his own and sit down and be watching what is happening, nobody will come there to do anything.
Killing the penalty for people who don't sit at home, who defy. What of in the case of emergency? Would he,
Now, if the thing is going on that way, you have seen the ones that happened before.
Yeah.
What you will do on this one, you use your brain.
Am I talking? People are crying of marginalization, denial of their national right as a citizen of this country. What do you do as a rational political leader? What is your problem? You look at their complaints. If it is right, then you provide solution and peace will be still. You understand?
Tinubu is 1 year enough. Give us your reaction.
Soldiers, they don't get sense. Soldiers, they don't get sense. If Nami dead here, say soldier, not be every action where they give you where you go follow. Because me, na blood they rush for my body. If I be soldier, how can all the guard them go there, they chop money, they carry the money, they come back, then they send me, make I go die.
To secure the citizen of the country.
Now they are saying where they secure. Now they are saying where they secure. Because you know go tell me now say, make I carry gun, begin go block for road to secure the citizen. You will be your guy go follow back, go they collect money. Because he be big man, now me go they carry gun, they walk up for road. Not be every movement is show me I go.
They say that IPO be they responsible for the because they will sit at home that day.
That way they talking at their own. What about those where they happen for Brunu? They just they talk their own. What about those where they happen for Brunu? What did they don't do? What did they don't do for those ones? I know they talk about soldiers. Any soldier will sabi something will get brain, making use in brain. Making use in brain. Making know they just they go they die like that.
Every year they remember their hero. These people they do this in every day, they remember their hero. I think you know that one. Then why go send army there, make him go stop them? What thing they do? That time when they do one, they jale, they do everything. He don't send army to go shoot any of them. Why you know if you call army back, say make on no near there, you go there, tell army make it. You know say the boys don't prepare. So you better leave them, make them do their own things. And the best thing for this country is divide this country. This country, one person cannot rule this country again, they're good. Tinubu a big thief. Make arrest me.
So who do you think is responsible for the killing of army? Now IPOB.
No, non-government now, no be IPOB, no non-government.
Condolence to the family of the grieved, of the ones who lost their loved ones, of our gallant soldier. I will never in my life encourage anybody to lay an attack or a siege on our military, because these people stay awake all night, all day to protect this country, and somebody killed them. Those hoodlums that killed them had to be fished out. This is not about IPOB. IPOB never stands for this. It's not about IPOB.
Came out on a day where, you know, it was this day in Aba. One day that is
Sit at home. That's it. Yeah, that day is Remembrance Day for the fallen heroes. Sit at home in commemoration of that. But the security agencies are supposed to come out to patrol, because sometimes the criminal elements in our society normally take advantage of such days to go and rob people and cause mayhem. So the soldiers are doing what we call their civic duty, and they were killed. They paid the ultimate price.
yeah, for the security of the...
Yes.
All right, bro. Thank you so much for your time. I have one for you, though. Okay, now, can you... Between man and a woman, how do you think love of soldier in Aba? A lot of people are saying that the IPOB responsible.
Outrageously consequential.
Yeah.
Killing is not good in all ramifications, especially when it has to do with innocent blood. Whether soldier, civilian, is condemnable, is unacceptable, is barbaric. I condemn it in its totality. But our government need to do something. Because the last time I checked, the reason for government, the reason for governance is to remedy the challenges of the people. You don't come and create problem yourself as a government, as political leaders. You are there to remedy the challenges of the people, to fish out the problem that people are facing and provide lasting solution, so that there will be
I hope say una don hear am. I said that me wey dey talk, me wey be Balabas gist wey dey talk. I lost one of my brother for inside Boronu for 2 days ago, and e no die only am o. E kpai with along many soldiers. Anybody hear am? As e through Nigeria where you be, where you dey put mouth for wetin happen for Aba, blah blah blah. Do you know how many people dey kpai for north? How many they don't bring come for you? How many they don't go saga the house? How many minutes they don't go there? You see this injustice waiting for Nigeria. It's too much. And that is why Nigeria cannot move. Even the citizens self, everybody now began to be doomed. Look at the strike. They say they want to go to protest. Some Nigerians with their blood are receiving up to 3 million naira. They don't even go primary school. but you wey be graduate, you dey for house dey speak big in grammar, dey come for internet dey write nonsense and you dey receive 30,000, and person wey dey pay you that money na person wey no even go primary school, na dey pay you that particular money. And see now they don come outside, they don carry the whatever boss wey dey call the strike go one corner. They don talk, the strike now don dey call am back. You see the country wey una dey protect. You see country, okay, the north no agree for regional government. See the country wey una dey protect. All of una don do. If you check people wey dey write nonsense for social media, I guess the Biafrans wey say they wan go, I guess anything good, just go check them. They no even sing ordinary garri chop. Their brain don block to the extent of they no know wetin they dey do again, na to support evil they dey. My people, share this video for more updates as e dey hot.